Back to eliminations here at the Central Illinois Regional. Alliance 4 in red, Alliance 5 in blue. 1736 Robot Casserole and 4423 Mars Minions flying around their side of the field, going to score Coral on L4. 4213 for Metal Cow Robotics doing the same. 20-16 as the bells ring and we enter the teleoperated period. Coral going up on the Blue Alliance side of the field from 10-4-35 IRS. Now they've grabbed an algae from the reef and go up to score it in the net if they can. They make the shot for 4 points for the Blue Alliance. Coral going up for blue, one coming from Eagle Army, going up there on L4. Metal Cow adding another, but just barely missing as it falls back down towards their L1 trough. IRS seemingly taking on a cleanup role, pulling algae off the reef and taking them up to the net to drop them off for those points. Moving over to the Red Alliance side of the field, all three robots working to score. Robot Casserole got a Coral stuck in their frame briefly, but they shake it right out thanks to their plexiglass protector on that frame. 66-51 Golden Bots lined up with L4. They're trying to line up for the score if they can, but it bounces off the stored algae and goes back to the floor. 4423 Mars Minions appears to be playing a cleanup role on algae, grabbing them off the reef. Took one to the net recently, but they appear to be prioritizing getting them off more. Now they take one over to the net, drop it off up there, and that is a 4-point score to the Red Alliance. 56 seconds to go, 92-81. It is still a tight match. Both alliances working hard, full power on the offense, 3v3 for that offensive strategy. Everyone working on building up their scores as we come into these final 40 seconds. 110-93 now. Mars Minions and Robot Casserole both in the red, both lined up near their reefs. Mars Minions get stuck on a Coral briefly, but they move along. Golden Bots now in the Blue Alliance side, possibly to slow down this Blue Alliance a bit as we come into the final moments of this match. By now, you know what those pings mean. It's the end game. 42-13 Metal Cow Robotics lined up with the cage, maybe first in the air. IRS for the Blue Alliance lined up as well. Nobody in the air yet as we come into the final 5 seconds. Red Alliance racing in for some parks. What may be 2 Blue Alliance robots in the air as time expires. The Blue Alliance number 5 with a score of 162-113. They're moving on to face our number 1 seed alliance in the upper bracket in match 7. Next round, we'll see the Red Alliance still alive.